Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about 9 actionable tips and strategies to get the more followers on Instagram. Hey guys, myself Venkat Randa, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this channel first time, consider to subscribe, click the bell icon also. Guys, Instagram followers are very important. If you have more followers on Instagram, you will get more traffic to your website, you will get more store visits, you will get more leads and sales. And also number of followers will help you to position your brand in the market. The customers trust will improve and you will get a lot of brand value by improving your number of followers on Instagram. So without further any delay, let's jump into the what are the methods to get the more followers on Instagram. First, you have to follow relevant persons. Guys, first you have to find the accounts which are similar to you. After that, you have to observe their bio. So you will come to know whether you have to follow him or not by observing their bio. So in their bio they will put like social media marketer, Facebook marketer, digital marketer, fitness coach, like that they will put their bio, and you have to observe their bio and then you will come to know whether you have to follow or not. So once you decide, and you have to follow them. In this way, when you follow those persons, some of them will follow you back. In this way you will get some initial followers. Here don't do the spam, just follow very naturally. So just follow around 10 to 20 accounts per day. That is the more natural way. Next, you have to use the hashtags in the post. Guys, hashtags will help you to find your content. Whenever people search on Instagram, then these hashtags will help you to discover your content. So in Instagram post, you can use up to 30 hashtags in the post. So you guys can use the hashtags. So in the Instagram, the hashtag size is different. So you have to use the different sized hashtags in the particular post. So we will do another video on what are hashtags, how to use very hashtags very strategically. Guys, next you have to tag your followers. When you tag your followers, then your followers will be notified about your post and they will also share your post, they will like your post, they will comment on your post. Okay, don't tag all people at once. So just post by post tag some people in your post. Next, you have to tag the location in your post. So guys, some people will search the Instagram content based on the locations. They will browse content who are providing in the Rajahmundry, Hyderabad, Bengaluru. Like that, people will search by location also. When you tag location in your post, in that particular cases, your content will be visible to others. In this way also, you can get some followers to your Instagram. The next tip is the promote on other social media profiles. Guys, you already have the some followers on other social media profiles like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Why not to convert those followers to your Instagram account? You are already providing a lot of value on those platforms. So when you say to your followers, just follow me on Instagram, then those followers will follow you on Instagram also. Next, you have to collaborate with other Instagram users. You have to find the relevant users on Instagram and you have to mail them about the collaboration and you have to explain them why you want to collaborate with him or her. So just you have to explain the benefits, so opposite person also get the benefit. So you both guys have to collaborate and you both guys have to grow yourself. Okay guys, the next tip is the upload IGTV videos. Guys, we already know visual content is more engaging than the text based content. Instagram is that's the visual content. So you are not only focus on the posting images, you have to also focus on the posting videos. On Instagram you can produce three type of videos now. So one thing is the reels, another one is the 1 minute, less than 1 minute video, and the other thing is the IGTV videos. Now the reach for IGTV videos are getting very good. So guys, you have to you can upload IGTV videos and get some engagement and you can get some followers. Next tip is the use the reels. Guys, Instagram recently launched the Reels option. So now it is the new feature. That's why Instagram is pushing it a lot, and you will get best engagement. Reels are getting the better engagement than these. And next, you have to run the Instagram ads. Guys, what are the methods I explained about? Those are the free methods consumes that time. And coming to the Instagram ads, you have to put some budget and have to run the ads. Guys, I hope these methods will help you to gain some followers on Instagram. So just rapidly we will discuss what are the 9 tips. So first you have to follow the relevant persons to get the initial followers. Then you have to use the relevant hashtags in your post. You can use up to 30 hashtags in your post. Then you have to tag your followers. Then you have to tag the location in your post, and you have to promote on other social media, and you have to collaborate with other Instagram users, and you have to upload the IGTV videos, reels, and you have to run the Instagram ads. Guys, these are the awesome tips for you. How you feel, let me know in the comment, just by comment awesome. Guys, if you found this video helpful, just give a thumbs up and share it with your community. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.